Hello, my friends. The 3 items I'm about to share with you are so incredibly unique. And I'm like looking at these going, which one do I show first? So I'm going to show the fold it first because I know you've seen fold its like this from me before. So I want to just show you this one. It is boom, hip, hip, hooray. And I love this. It's so much fun. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Hip, hip, hooray. I love it. I love it. Now, yes, it comes with the extra layering die so you can do your shaker cards, which is so fun. And I have more samples to share with you, rest assured. Then we have something unique. Shirley gave me this idea, and let me tell you, it is adorable. It is more than what you think it is. So hang on. We're calling it the crayon tag because you have these little things that look funny, but I'm going to show them to you, that will hold a crayon. Meaning you're going to put those dies anywhere you want. It also has the words let's color that are optional. Meaning you could make a tag that looks like this. Let's color. Now it has 2 little crayons. Now, do you have to use the little crayons thing? Absolutely not. It is a fun fold over tag. So look at this. So if you were giving somebody a gift bag, you could have, and you want to write a little message, but you don't want to make a big card, whatever. Look at this. Perfect. Look at that. It just folds right over and there you go. So it's like a fold over tag, but we added the fun crayon element to make it more than a fold over tag. So here's another example. Let's color with a little bit of Velcro on there. How cute is that? But again, it has nothing to do with crayons. We just added the crayon element. Here we go. Here's our cute little unicorn on there. We could add some crayons in there if we want. I also anticipate putting, like, if you have a child you want to give it to, stamp in, don't color it out, and then give them crayons to color it, right? So here's another example. Look how cute that is with the scribble paper background. Oh, here, who did this one? Yvette did it. This is what I was talking about. So look, you give them the stamped image. They have the crayons to cut to color it. And this one looks like it has another little something in here. Let's check it out. Ooh, another one in case they want to make another one. Isn't that adorable? I love, oh, a couple more. There's a couple in here. So they can make a few. I love that idea. But that was kind of like the idea behind all of this. But Shirley gave me the idea of the fun little crayon holder, and I just love it. Now, here's another one. Again, just a tag, and I don't want to say just a tag, but it's a fold over tag. Now, before I show you my other samples, I have more. Got to show you this. I had so much fun making this. And let me just tell you, cows are becoming more and more popular. I made a tall milk carton. What am I talking about? Look at this. Ah, isn't it cute? Now, I know the first thing you're going to ask is, how tall is it? Because it says it's tall. Let's find out. So it is almost, it is 5 inches tall. 5 inches tall, and Honey Bear grabbed one, so we're going to get it back from her because it's too cute. She loves things like this. But you are getting all of these dies. Now, this die is pretty large. You're getting the cute little cows in there with the cow body and the cow head. Moo, milk, so fun. Now, so here's an example, and it's so easy. But look at this. You can even make it so it opens and you can pour. And one of these even has, oh, look at the cow on there. Use our cookie dies. This one says, you're the milk to my cookie. I love it. Here's another one for Easter. You crack me up. You can open it up and you can have little treats in there, jelly beans. Imagine having jelly beans in there and pouring out jelly beans. How adorable is that? Perfect for party favors or even Thanksgiving table placement favors, right? Look at this one, moo, moo, milk. And you have a little tie ribbon up at the top so you can tie it. Look at that cute little cow. Here's another cute one with a cow all the way around. Now, it doesn't have to have the cow theme if you don't want it to. Here we go. What goes with milk? Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Now, this one, open it up. And I know because it's really heavy. Watch this. What are we going to pour out? Oh, confetti. Oh, fun. Fun, fun, fun. But you know what? There's bigger things in here. There's candy in here. Look at that. Imagine giving this to someone. Perfect for a teacher gift when you just want to give them a little, hey, I know you're doing good gift. How fun is that? I love that. You're just pouring out confetti and candy. Now, let's look at a couple more samples. But just a heads up, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website, or until they sell out, they are on flash sale. And club members, yes, you get your club discount as well. So here we go. Hip, hip, hooray. Here's another one. Hip, hip, hooray. This one's actually even, oh, I thought it was a stand-up. It's not. Oh, but it's got inside inserts. Look at that. Pop-ups. Ready? Hip, hip, hooray. What? Look how cute they are. I love that. Let's see. Here's another one as a background. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Hip, hip, hooray. Happy birthday. Here's another one. Now, what's fun is this is for birthday. This is for congratulations. It's for celebrate. It's for anything. Here is a shaker. Remember how I told you that I give you the extra dies to make shakers. So that's really fun. Here's another one with the cute little twine tied around it. I love that. Hip, hip, hooray. Here's another one on a stand-up. Ready? This is on the basic stand-up. Ready? We're going to open this up. Oh, and this has, oh, some of you that are new might not even know about this. This has our scratch and reveal stickers on it. So it says, a friend like you deserves. Let's go to the overhead camera. Hip, hip, hooray. A friend like you deserves, and it has a scratch off sticker on it. So let's find, oh, this is so fun. Let's find, you know what? Usually I just use my fingernail. Let's just use our fingernail. A friend like you deserves. Yes, these stickers are on our website. Ready? Lunch on me. Yay. Who's buying me lunch? Who is this? Chris is buying me lunch. Isn't that adorable? I love that. I love that. And you know what? Those of you that have been around a long time probably have those in your stash. If you don't, we still have them on our website. So, but we're not going to be able to reorder those. We co-branded it with another company and we won't be able to reorder them. So once they're gone, they're gone. So stock up on those. But that is awesome. I love that. Now, a couple more of the cute little Let's Color. Here's a fun one. We're going to open it up. You can add some crayons to it. Ooh, this one's a coloring book practically. Look at that. Oh goodness. Look at this. I love this. This one is a mini coloring book where we can imagine giving this to a child like when you go to a restaurant or something fun like that. Look at how cute that is. I love that. Tied with a little ribbon. Here's another one with a crayon on it. Let's Color. Look at that. So cute. I love those little images. Now, my friends, you know the deal. Club members, you're getting the discount. I already talked about all of that. Flash sales first 24 hours or until sold out. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And if you're new to stampsoflife.com, you can buy at regular price any old day you want. Our prices are really good. But if you want it to be a sale every single time you go to our website, every day is a sale day at the Stamps of Life for all of our club members. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.